Hi, Dennis Ray here. You're looking for a good screen recorder, and who isn't? Free Screen Recorder Pro is a great screen recorder with features like no time limits, no watermarks, records in high definition, records webcams, has a cursor highlighter, makes screenshots, and is easy to use. Let's look at Free Screen Recorder Pro. This is the Free Screen Recorder Pro interface. First, we have a minimize button and a screenshot button, and this can be used to make your screenshot, or you can hit the print button on your keyboard. You can use this to start or stop video recordings, or pause and resume video recordings. A timer button can be used to include the cursor in your video recording, or mouse clicks, or keystrokes, or a video timer. Refresh, open canvas, which is a really nice image editor, and it looks like this, and this has some handy tools at your disposal. A good way to edit your images. Tools on the side, on the bottom, color palette, brightness, contrast. Yeah. Next on the interface is open output folder and configuration. And configuration looks like this, and this has settings for proxy, sounds, hotkeys, and you can change the default hotkeys to whatever you want to make it. Like I changed start and stop recording to this. Tray icon, file naming, and you can change the output folder to what you want to make it. Screenshot, FFmpeg, and in this, for preset in this area, default is ultra fast, but I changed mine to medium. I found that ultra fast is unnecessarily too large, so I made it medium because it works just fine and the video file is at a decent size. I'm recording this with Free Screen Recorder Pro. You know why I do these videos? I worked in the field of education and training for many years. I'm retired now, but I still love training and teaching. If you find value in this video or any of the other videos in the Dennis Ray channel, then like and subscribe to keep the channel going. Okay, thank you. Back in the interface, there's the video window. We look at video source, where you can choose what source you want. If you want to record audio only, full screen, and this will be if you have more than one monitor. Window, if you want to record just the window that you have open. Choose a region on your monitor, and this would be for recording games. Now, I really don't know if Free Screen Recorder Pro would be that good for game recording, because you're limited to 30 frames per second, and for game recording I would think you'd want at least 60 frames per second. But that's just me. Video encoder, you have your choice of FFmpeg, GIF, Sharp AVI, Stream, or Discard. And it says here, discard for testing purpose only. And then below that, you can choose what video format you want. There's your choice for the frames per second. Now it comes in at the default with 10, and the limit on it is 30, which I think is your best setting on this. Quality, the default is 70, which is fine. Below that, your audio settings, webcam choices, and then you can preview what your webcam will look like. And screenshot, you have a choice of where you want your screenshot to be saved. It says disk, that could be on your computer or your clipboard. You can upload it to Imgur, and you can include your image editor with the screenshot, which we looked at earlier. Next is preview, which will show a image of your last video or screenshot, and then you have your selections there. And then recent, which will have a list of your last videos and screenshots. Next is configure, where you can select your language, pre-start countdown, duration of your video, and then you make your selections there. Overlays, which looks like this, and this is where you can make your settings for these different tabs for elapsed, sensor, text, images, keystrokes, mouse, and webcam. And for instance, mouse, the original color for the halo on the mouse was orange, which I changed to green, and the click color was a yellow, which I changed to red. And the webcam, you can make your different changes where you want the webcam to appear on the screen and what size you want it. So that's overlays. And back to configure, there is this configure, which is the exact same thing as this configure setting. And then there's dark theme or light theme. I prefer dark theme. And accent color, where you can change the color of the accents, like the purple that you see here and there. And output folder, where you can change the output folder. Then there's about. This tab will take you to a site where you can donate if you'd like to, and a website where you can find some information about how to use the program. And then there are these tools that you can use for images. The rest of this video I'll record with Free Screen Recorder Pro, so you can see how the cursor and the cursor highlighter work. So where can you get Free Screen Recorder Pro? Well, you can go to the Microsoft Store, do a search by typing this in, and this is what you'll get. Click on that, and you'll get this page. If you click on this tab, it will install for you automatically. I already have it, which is why it says open. There's some information about the program there, or the app. If you scroll down, you'll get some more information about it. But that's the first source. The second source is this website, and I'll put a link for this in the description below. But you just go to this tab, hit that, and it will install for you automatically from the Microsoft Store. That was Free Screen Recorder Pro, an excellent recorder. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care.